Isopon gives you an easy repair solution for almost any type of damage. In this video, we're going to be showing you the Isopon Scratch and Stone Chip Filler System. Scratch and Stone Chip Filler is an ultra-smooth, easy-to-use filler specifically formulated to repair fine scratches, stone chips, and other minor damage. Used straight out of the tube, it dries fast and is easy to sand smooth, giving a perfect, durable repair that's ready for priming and painting. Here's what comes in the box of the Scratch and Stone Chip Filler Kit. You've got 2 tubes of stone chip filler, a plastic applicator, and a detailed instruction booklet showing you every aspect of the stone chip repair process. Wearing protective gloves, wipe away any loose particles of paint or dirt, also remove any wax or grease. Acetone and alcohol works great for this. Open the tube and pierce the opening. Apply the filler straight from the tube, directly to the scratch or stone chip at a depth of about 1 mm. Replace the cap between uses to preserve the product. Smooth the filler with the supplied applicator and remove any excess filler. Allow to dry for about 20 minutes. Sand smooth using a sand block and very fine-grade wet and dry paper and plenty of water. The final finish should be perfectly smooth and blend evenly with the surrounding area. Any small imperfections should be filled again with a small amount of filler and resanded. Your repair is now ready for primer, followed by your chosen top coat. Isopon gives you a repair solution for almost any type of damage. And for more information on the Scratch and Stone Chip Repair System or any other Isopon products, make sure you visit our website, isopon.co.uk.